top of the line, I know you miss it, baby. I got a line on my mind, why don't you visit, baby? If you can turn back the time, you would've listened, baby.
Oh, this right here is $4.99. Oh. So what's two for? This